Hi friends, I received a package today. I need to thank my aunt, cousins, uncle for giving these surprise and these two Rocky toys. So I have this Doraemon keychain and Mickey Mouse keychain. If you see this white thing, it lights up. The same thing for Mickey Mouse also. Then now let's open the surprise. It's a big surprise. I'm going to open it. This is so hard. Whoa! So this is the surprise. Figures from Avengers. Here's the front. You can already see the figures right here. Iron Man, Hulk, the Captain America's shield, Spider-Man, Spider-Man webs, Thanos and Captain America. Avengers 4 Endgame. Superhero, multiple styles, multiple play. So here is Iron Spider, here is Captain America, here is Iron Man, and here is Thanos. Here is the side of the box, the upside of the box. It says new designs, Avengers Hero, Avengers 4 Endgame, multiple styles, multiple play, superpower hero. And in the side of the box, superhero Thor is in here with the Stonebreaker. Multiple styles, multiple play. They are telling it a lot of names. And Spider-Man, superhero. It's ages 3 and up. If you're 3, you can play with this. If you're younger than 3, make sure your parents know. On the back of the box, Avengers hero model, Hulk, Thor, Iron Spider, Captain America, Iron Man and Thanos. Actually in Endgame he doesn't be like this, and I have my Thanos shirt on, which you pretty can't see it. It's the gauntlet. So now let's open this thing. There's not a tape. So I'm going to put the box down. Here you go, there's the figures. So first, here is my favorite figure, Spider-Man. He shoots webs. He has this web wall or shield. And he goes like, he wings. That is Spider-Man. The details are very good for Spider-Man. The stripes on his back, there's a logo and there's the logo, biggest logo. In the Iron Spider suit he has big logo. Now let's take out the Captain America shield. This is officially his shield. He has two shields because Black Panther made him the Wakanda shield. It's like you call it something, I don't know that. Now let's take out Hulk. From Endgame, he's not the official Hulk. He has glasses on and he has this quantum suit on. This is the original Hulk from the Avengers, where Black Widow and Hulk fight. So this is Iron Man. If you can move his arms, he can like punch and he can shoot his repulsor from here. And he has a nice detailed helmet right here. I don't know if you can see it. Then we have this detailed suit. This is the original suit of Iron Man, the Mark 42 suit. No, this is not. So this is Thanos. He's the bad guy. He has gauntlet. He has this gold gauntlet. And is fully purpled. He has his own suit. So this is it for Thanos. It's plain to show him. Now the last guy, who's Captain America, with the shield. So there's like a hole here, and there's thing here. So we can keep it like this. Yeah, this is it. And he has this awesome thing, but his pants doesn't be blue. His pants be brown. In the movie, they are brown. But this is an awesome action figure set. So this is it almost. I'm just going to show you battle scene. It's like Civil War actually. In the poster, they keep Captain America and Iron Man together like this. Like the battling. Iron Man is in Spider-Man's team. Hulk was not there in this. I'm sorry, Hulk. But Thanos also was not in here. So this is it for my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want this set, you can buy this set. It's actually a pretty good set. It's an awesome set, guys. So that's it for my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.